Good morning. Welcome to our second practice. Thank you for watching the first one. Kabalo ko, daghan pa kay ko dapat i-improve. No bashing. It's for fun. Ingon si Small Laude. And yeah, but you can send me positive or positive, constructive feedback. Pwede man negative as long as it's constructive. Naa magid tay sayo, di magid ta perfecto. Mo ganing ka practice, di ba? So ang sa last nga vlog, di gid nako pwede mapakita ang mga fez, ang mga naong sa mga students kay because they're minor. So kinahanglan gid nako og kinahanglan nako og kanang parental consent. So butangan gid nako siya sticker. I hope you understand. So karon akong second practice. Magunahon na pa ko kung unsa akong content today. Siguro it's still about what do I do at work or after work, depende lang, pero yeah, let's see how this goes. All right, thank you for being with me. So now this is second class for today.
Again, this is old stuff, love. Old stuff.
I'm helping students.
Be both challenging and rewarding.
Thank you, Mason.
Can I get 2 tickets for that?
Have high school graduates, college students. So what about them? They wanted to navigate life after high school. Now, this one, is it compare and contrast or cause and effect? Cause and effect. Can you give me example of a cause and effect? Yeah. Yes. Yes, thank you. Another cause and effect. Another cause and effect from the reading. No one? Okay. Can you, Maya? Give me one cause and effect from here.
Time to explore your interests and goals for the future.
Is that a cause and effect?
Oh.
So that could be a cause because you need to explore. So what would be the effect?
Building support network that finds.
So you need to build support. Yes, thank you. So because independence comes with challenges, so building a support network can help with the transition. All right, so that could be our do now for today. You can.
So, naman akong klase. Ang amo na lang buhaton kay kung wala mo'y meeting, well, pwede ka mo sibat. Pero daghan naman kong buhaton, daghan pa kay kog IEP to do for the rest of the school year. So, muna akong buhaton karon mag-schedule og meetings and then mupauli na lang ko. Pwede magsimba, mupauli, pero marang mupauli sa ako para we can have dinner together, right? Okay. I'll see you later. Na ako sa balay. Ang pinakahayahay sa tanan si Siopaw. Siopaw! Siopaw! Siopaw, come here! Come! Come! Siopaw! Tanaway yan ko ano. Siopaw! Let's go! Ay sus! Abtik mandayan. Abtik mandayan. Ano, storya Matt. About future. Say hi, Matt, to the vlog.
I'm not recording.
Say hi. It's rolling. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi to my vlog. Hi. Hi. So, yeah, that was my day. Nagtrabaho lang ko. Nag-uli sa balay. O, And the most important is I end up with my loved ones. With this. And with Shopao. Shopao, come here. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Shopao. Let's go. Come on. Ay, shush. Ay, shush. Come on. Come on. Come. Come here. Come. Come here. What shoes? Okay. Alright. Kini akong pinaka-favorite nga babae. Pinaka-favorite nga youngest son. And pinaka-favorite nga firstborn male. And pinaka-favorite of all sa ilang tolo is si Shopao. Alright. Para mo na akong pinaka-love sa tanan. Silang upat. Alright. Thank you, vlog, for watching. Thank you for watching my practice vlog. Okay. See you next vlog, okay? I know today, murag wala kayo hinungdan akong vlog, no? Pero practice naman. Right? Anything you wanna say? No? What about you, Zach?
I'm good.
You're good. What about you, Matt?
No.
What about Shopao? I think Shopao has something to say. Yes, baby, right? Yeah? All right, bye. Say bye. Bye.